As a Maple user, you would be familiar with worksheets and documents, but what is a Maple workbook? Basically, it is a single file that allows you to save together worksheets, documents, Maple programs, data, and other files. Here's an example of a workbook I used for a presentation at the 2025 Maple Conference. To see the contents, open the workbook pane at the left. This workbook consists of several worksheets, as well as a Maple language file. Here's an example of one of the worksheets. And here is the language file. If I click on it and open it, it opens up in a code edit region. Here is another example of a workbook, and this one contains a worksheet describing spectrograms, plus audio and image files. So to summarize, a workbook is an easy way to collect Maple documents and other related data in a single file.